Welcome to Lake. Let's dig into using tools. Lake's super neat tools are a classic brush, graffiti spray, watercolor brush for shading, a bucket, and an eraser. The bucket comes in really handy for filling in big surfaces. Now let's pick watercolor brush to create some shadows and highlights. This brush also allows us to create new colors that can't be found on the color wheel. I'm going to use the spray to add some sparkles and create a fine texture. Let's finish these cute ears with the bucket and some extra watercolor brushing. Adding more color to make the sprinkles stand out. I am shadowing the edges now. Let's wrap it up by giving this donut a shiny glaze effect. Ta-da! Hope you enjoyed my Lake Tools tips and tricks and got some new ideas on how to color your favorite art.